Day 5 of the Colorado road trip, and I'm headed to the beach. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It's free and an easy way to support me on my big adventure. Today, we're headed to the Great Sand Dunes National Park. It's as close as we're going to get to the beach here in Colorado. You better buckle up. It's time to move. This view is amazing. I have my hiking shoes on because it's a bit of a trek to get up to the dunes, but I brought my sandals, sunscreen, water, lunch, my hat, my long sleeve. I can't think of anything else to take, so all I have left to do is get started. I knew there was this stream here, but being that it's so late in the summer, I expected it to be dried up. Okay, sandboarding. I know nothing, but ask for as much instruction as possible. He mentioned that I should start on smaller hills till I get used to it and wax the board, buff the board every time I go. You're supposed to use either bare feet or socks. I have found a secluded, very pretty place over here where I'll be able to explore this by myself. This is going to be my home for the next couple hours as I try this out. Decided it would be worthwhile to have a snack before getting started. Might be procrastinating, but this looks like a really good hill to get started on. Sandboarding update. It's awesome. I have sand absolutely everywhere, and I've gone down this hill a few times, and this little hill seems to be okay. This one has given me a little more trouble. You can see the zigzag where I went and landed. I walked over to try the other spot, landed. This one was good. There are storms off in the distance on both of the mountains. So we have storms over there and storms over there. You can see people are still climbing the dunes. I'm determined to get the hang of this, so I need a little more time before it storms.
You know my body never knows.
I feel like that was the first time in quite a while that I really tried something new. Oh, it's so much fun. That was so cool. I'm headed out now. There are clouds rolling in, which you can see. There's definitely a storm in the distance, but they're rolling in. I'm hungry and hot and tired, just caked in sand. So it's time to go. Wouldn't be a road trip if we didn't look for UFOs. This UFO watchtower is located between two vortexes, both on the eastern side, one that spins clockwise and the other spins counterclockwise. So let's go see if we can find some aliens. Fortunately, no UFOs today, but the view is pretty great. I hope you enjoyed Great Sand Dunes National Park. I'm definitely going to have some bruises after that one. I returned my sandboard to the Oasis, got an amazing grilled cheese sandwich for lunch, and I have pie for dessert. I am headed to Colorado Springs for tomorrow. Tomorrow, day 6 of the road trip, is the last day. So we're already to the last day. I need to get there and rest up because we have a lot to do in Colorado Springs before we head home. I'm sorry to disappoint everyone who came here to see me climb to the top. It's 700 feet up to the top, and that's not going to happen. So we will enjoy the view of everyone else climbing to the top as we have fun down here.